This video introduces the stock preparation process of cartonboard paper, fluting paper and tea paper. This process is mainly divided into 5 parts. Bale breaking of waste paper. Pulping of waste paper. Waste paper pulp coarse screening. Paper pulp fractionating process. Pulp cleaning and fine screening etc. process. Waste paper can be in bale or in loose condition. The waste paper in bales will be loaded to chain conveyor through loader. Through chain conveyor to bale breaker for bale breaking. Larger heavy impurities will be removed through bale breaker. Down to the belt convey of bale breaker. Remove the heavy impurities effectively. Thus remove the heavy impurities under dry condition. This can improve impurity removing efficiency of stock preparation system. And it also can reduce the wear and screening loads of following up equipment greatly. Increase the pulping efficiency of following up pulper by 30%. Waste paper scattered on the chain conveyor feeds drum pulper. The scattered waste paper through chain conveyor will be fed into drum pulper for processing. In drum pulper, waste paper and water are mixed. Waste paper will be pulped into single fiber, under high consistency condition. The form of fibers mixed with water is called pulp. Drum pulper can completely remove the impurities almost without damage. Therefore reduce the burden of following up equipment. The pulp after pulping is at the concentration of 3 to 4%. Through the dump pulp pump transferring to the high-density cleaner, with the centrifuge gravity to remove heavy impurities. After process, the pulp will be set into pulp chest. Finish the pulping process of waste paper. Next, pulp is transferred to coarse screening system. The pulp is transferred with pulp pump to the first stage middle consistency coarse screen for screening impurities in non-deflect pulp into light impurity separator, to be deflacked and separated again. The tailings enter reject separator for final treatment. The accepts from reject separator flow into pulp chest. Light impurity are discharged from the system directly. Accepts of coarse screen will be sent to the entrance of supplying pump for first stage fractionating screen. The pulp after middle density cleaner cleaning again will go to the first stage fractionating screen. The fiber pulp in fractionating screen can be divided into short fiber and long fiber proportionally. The short fibers which go through the slot screen after thickening by thickener go into short fiber pulp chest, and finally enter short fiber pulp tower for storage through transferring pump. The medium and long fiber and impurities which are not through the slot screen pump to a 3-stage low-density cleaner for removing slag. The tailing of first-stage low-density cleaner go into second-stage low-density cleaner for treatment. The accepts after second-stage low-density cleaner return to the entrance of pulp pump of first-stage low-density cleaner. Second-stage low-density cleaner tailing to third-stage low-density cleaner for treatment. Accepts from third-stage low-density cleaner return to the entrance of supplying pump of second-stage low-density cleaner. The third-stage low-density cleaner tailing gather to the bottom of slag tank. The fibers are recoiled by high-pressure flushing water to the upper vortex for recycling. Heavy impurities are discharged out of system regularly by pneumatic valve controlled by the PLC. The accepts after first stage low-density cleaner will go to the second stage fractionating screen for treatment. The medium fibers and the long fibers are separated. Medium fiber passing through screen slot through the second stage and third stage low-density cleaners removing treatment. Sent to medium fibers pulp chest through thickener for thickening, and then go into medium fiber pulp tower for storage by transferring pump. When produce corrugated paper, there is no need to use second stage and third stage low density cleaner for treatment. The tailing after through second stage and third stage low density cleaner After thickener for thickening by pulp pump. Go into long fibers pulp chest. Long fiber after second times fractionating. Contains a lot of light impurities. And long but not completely dull fake fiber. So the long fibers return to the entrance of supplying pump of long fiber fine screen. Then sent to long fiber fine screen for treatment. The accepts of long fibers fine screen go to the thickener for thickening. Go into long fibers pulp chest. Finally, it will be transferred to long fiber pulp tower for storage. Tailing go into the pulp chest in coarse screening system for treatment. Long fiber pulp tower pulp go for the bottom layer pulp chest. Medium fiber pulp tower pulp go for the top layer pulp chest. Short fiber pulp tower pulp go for the liner layer pulp chest.